In fact, there are
Several meetings.
several meetings.
Several meetings.
I'd like to call on one of these people who has been with the group also putting this event together.
Yes.
And I think it's only fitting that she welcome everybody formally, since we already gave our informal welcomes earlier.
Yes. Careful with your English because
Why? I know. Conscious man ka.
naging conscious. To officially welcome us to the 20th year reunion of the UP High School Batch 1987, Miss Leah Joy Dormitorio Cabalbad.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, batchmates. Good afternoon to our US TFC subscribers. I know you will be watching this on the CD soon. Please get your copies. They are $100 each. Perfect. Okay, anyway, it is really a privilege for me to be the mouthpiece of a very dynamic and wonderful batch. It is my role to formally welcome our teachers. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of each and every one. Let's start with Mrs. Iluminada Mercado. And of course, we have our nanay, Dr. Josefina Carvajal. Okay, and one of my favorite homeroom teachers, Dr. Lisa Lapa. Our music maestra, Mrs. Erlinda Alenton. And of course, who could forget the very infamous Madam who would just say, "Trust ka, Day?" Mrs. Marcelina Nelias. Our commandant and English professor, Mr. Alfredo Montaño. And the diva of the Asian Drama Fest. Thank you very much. Of course, we'd also like to welcome all our batchmates who came all the way from different continents and different islands. And I'd like to make special mention to our US contingents. Let's start with Jay Montecillo. And I'd like to welcome still single Ethel Hapson. And we're very proud, of course, to have with us immigration lawyer Dr. Lorelai Turanan. And of course, we have Caridad Kunin, who is also our treasurer for our US chapter. Of course, we expected her to bring along some mints. And she did not disappoint us. Okay, and we have one batchmate who secretly flew in from down under, Miss Irene Tang Torregosa. Australia. And of course, who can forget our Prince Rocker, Mr. Ronino Baliga, all the way from Singapore. But let's not forget our island contingents. The natives, the Mangyans. But equally worthy to be here. Let's start with our batchmate from Bukidnon, Nino Gaboya. Welcome, Nino. And we have someone from Tacloban. We have Anna May Wenceslao. And of course, we have the Manila Babes. Three of them are here. Attorney Glenda Bathan Baturina. Paula Delisay. And still single, babe, Joyce Susoban. Actually, they were telling us that the purpose of this reunion is really more for the singles to increase their chances of getting married and hooking up with those who are still single. So let's give them a chance to that. Okay, my other task is also to acknowledge those who are Cebu-based, who have been a very big help in organizing this affair. So if you don't mind, I'd just like to mention those who have contributed a lot to making this affair successful. For the technical production, he's already been acknowledged, but I'd like to acknowledge him again. Ruel Enciso. I think you're the first batch who has a yearbook in electronic file. They're all for Ruel, so you can access them on the website. Okay, and Ian has also helped a lot for this effort. For registration, we just like to give 3 claps for 3 ladies, Angie Mayol, Renely Cabican, and Rodani Aninion. For the reception, the t-shirts, and for many other things, I'd like to acknowledge one of the brains for this reunion also is one of the first persons who thought about it is Jessie Bernard, John Alvarado. For our multiple logistics and all-around girl, we have Rochelle Cuenca Cobar. For finding this beautiful place, venue, and coordinating our food, we have June Herrera Chonga. And of course, our legal luminaries of our batch who drafted our deed of donation, we have attorneys, Mark Tolentino and Attorney Nelly Espina. So for the program games, thank you Marilyn, thank you Roy, thank you Ria, and thank you Lorelai for facilitating this afternoon's games. For the publicity, thank you Roy for publishing this on radio and print. And for the invitations, we'd like to acknowledge Catalino. Wait, Papakis Catalino. For the invitation design. And I guess for the biggest clap of all, the people behind our finance committee who are very religious in calling, collecting, and pestering us. Last call is for tonight. So we'd like to acknowledge Fe Flores Goles. She will be posting the collections and expenses update in our e-group soon. Pero ay magmahay. I don't think, nobody's in government service, by the way, in our batch. So, the credibility is in place. Ruel. But wala siya mudakan. Okay, we have Marvin Briones, who has really been the moving spirit behind calling everybody, texting, and just collecting. She really deserves a pat on the back and a warm applause. Let's recognize Cheryl Redoble Ginto. Cheryl, wherever you are now, I know you'll see this. Thank you very much for your help. So, we have an announcement that 2 more teachers are joining us. So before I end, I'd just like to share with you looking for some of my old stuff, I came across this marker, this bookmark that was required of us in our Filipino class. We were asked by Attorney Barcenas to get quotations from the Noli Me Tangere. And I came across this just this morning, and I'd just like to read it to you to encourage and inspire us for tonight. This is from the character alcalde of the Noli Me Tangere. And please pardon my Tagalog. Okay, it reads, ang paralan ay siyang saliga ng lipunan. Ang paralan ang siyang aklat na kinasusulatan ng hinaharap ng bayan. Pakita ninyo sa amin ang paaralan ng isang bayan at sasabihin namin sa inyo kung ano ang bayan natin. So, looking at all the faces who are the products of UP High and looking at all the people who have molded us, I'm certain and I'm confident about the future of our nations. Mabuhay ang UP Cebu, mabuhay ang teachers, mabuhay ang Batch 87, welcome home, and let's have fun.
Thank you very much, Leah. And we have from Davao.